Have you ever wondered how a tiny caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly? It's a question that has intrigued many, and the answer lies in a remarkable process known as metamorphosis. In the unseen world of caterpillars, every creature's journey begins as a minuscule egg, often laid on the underside of a leaf. This is the first stage of the caterpillar's life cycle, a cycle that unfolds with beautiful intricacy and precision. From this egg hatches a small, ravenous creature we know as the caterpillar, or larva. At this stage, the caterpillar has one sole purpose: to eat and grow. It munches away on leaves, consuming up to 27,000 times its body weight in its lifetime. This insatiable appetite fuels its rapid growth, preparing it for the incredible transformation that lies ahead. As the caterpillar grows, it sheds its skin several times in a process called molting. And then, when it has reached its full size, the caterpillar enters the next stage of its life cycle, the pupa. It creates a protective casing around itself known as a chrysalis. And within this secure shell, the caterpillar begins its most astounding transformation. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body breaks down and reorganizes. Old body parts are recycled and new ones form in a process that is nothing short of miraculous. After several days or weeks, depending on the species, a butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, a creature of remarkable beauty and grace, bearing little resemblance to the caterpillar it once was. This transformation from caterpillar to butterfly is a perfect example of metamorphosis, an awe-inspiring natural process that showcases the adaptability and resilience of these remarkable creatures. The caterpillar's journey is one of nature's most miraculous processes, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. The world of caterpillars is full of wonder and fascination, and as we continue to delve deeper into their lives, we are sure to uncover even more astonishing facts about these incredible creatures. Did you know that a caterpillar can eat up to 27,000 times its body weight during its life cycle? Quite the feat for such a small creature, isn't it? But this voracious appetite is not just about satisfying hunger. It's the fuel for a remarkable transformation that awaits these fascinating beings. Let's delve a bit deeper into the world of these incredible eaters. Imagine a caterpillar munching away on a leaf. It's not just any leaf that they choose to feast on, they have their preferences. For instance, monarch caterpillars have a particular fondness for milkweed. They're not just picky eaters, but smart ones too, as this plant serves a dual purpose. Not only does it provide the necessary nutrients, but it also arms them with a secret weapon, a poisonous compound that deters predators. And it's not just the monarchs. Many caterpillar species have developed a taste for toxic plants. They consume these dangerous meals with gusto, storing the toxins within their bodies. This becomes their secret weapon, a natural defense mechanism that deters predators. It's as if they're saying, "Eat me if you dare." But why such an insatiable appetite, you might wonder? Well, it's all about growth and transformation. The more a caterpillar eats, the faster it grows. And this growth is not just about increasing in size. It's about preparing for the metamorphosis, the magical process that transforms a caterpillar into a butterfly or moth. In essence, every bite a caterpillar takes is a step towards its future. Every leaf it consumes brings it closer to its destiny. It's a journey of growth, transformation, and survival. A caterpillar's life is a testament to nature's remarkable resilience and adaptability. So, the next time you spot a caterpillar munching on a leaf, remember, it's not just a simple act of feeding. It's a caterpillar fueling its journey of transformation, preparing for the marvel of metamorphosis. Yes, these little creatures are not just eaters, but survivors in their own right. Ever wondered how these little creatures defend themselves in the wild? The world of caterpillars is fraught with danger. But don't be fooled by their soft, squishy bodies and slow crawl. Caterpillars have evolved a variety of defense mechanisms to protect themselves from predators. First up, we have the masters of disguise. Many caterpillars use camouflage as their primary form of defense. They blend into their environment by taking on the colors and patterns of their surroundings. Some caterpillars even go a step further. They've evolved to look like bird droppings or twigs to avoid detection. Imagine being a bird looking for a tasty caterpillar treat, only to find what appears to be a pile of bird poop or a twig. Talk about a clever disguise. Next, we have the mimicry artists. Some caterpillars have evolved to mimic the appearance of other, more dangerous animals. For instance, the spicebush swallowtail caterpillar can puff up its thorax and display large, false eye spots to look like a snake when threatened. Not many would dare to mess with a snake, right? Finally, we have the stingers. These caterpillars are equipped with urticating hairs or spines that can inject venom into predators or unsuspecting humans. The saddleback caterpillar is one such example, known for its painful sting. But it's not just about physical defenses. Some caterpillars use chemical warfare. They can produce noxious chemicals which they release when threatened. These chemicals can deter predators, giving the caterpillar a chance to escape. So, while they may appear vulnerable, caterpillars are far from defenseless. They've adapted to their dangerous world in amazing ways, using camouflage, mimicry, physical defenses, and even chemical warfare to survive. In the world of caterpillars, it's all about survival, and these creatures are equipped with fascinating tools for it. Did you know that some caterpillars are master weavers? Yes, you heard it right. Among the diverse population of caterpillars, there are some species that possess a unique skill, the art of silk spinning. These tiny creatures, like the renowned silkworm, spin fine threads of silk to create a snug cocoon, where they undertake one of nature's most fascinating transformations. This cocoon serves as a protective shell, a sanctuary where they metamorphose from an unassuming caterpillar into a resplendent butterfly or moth. Now you might be wondering, how do they spin silk? Well, the process is as fascinating as the result. Silk spinning caterpillars have special glands that produce a protein substance. When this substance is exposed to air, it solidifies into a fine, strong thread. The caterpillar then meticulously arranges these threads into a cocoon, a task that demonstrates not only their industrious nature, but also their architectural prowess. But the tale of the silk spinners doesn't end there. Their silk, a product of their transformative journey, has been coveted by humans for thousands of years. From the ancient civilizations of China and Egypt to the modern fashion houses of Paris and Milan, the silk spun by these humble caterpillars has been a symbol of luxury and elegance. It's not just about the aesthetics either. Silk is highly durable and has a natural sheen that synthetic fibers struggle to replicate. It's thermally stable, resilient, and incredibly soft, making it a prized material in various industries, from clothing to biomedical applications. And here's the kicker, all of this comes from a creature that's no larger than your little finger. A caterpillar, which spends its days munching on leaves, spins a product of such value and versatility that it has shaped economies, inspired art, and advanced science. So the next time you see a caterpillar, remember the silk spinners. Remember the intricate cocoon they weave and the precious silk they produce. Remember their contribution to our world. From a tiny creature comes a product of great value. Isn't nature amazing? So, how much do you think you know about caterpillars now? Let's take a moment to marvel once again at these tiny wonders of the natural world. We've delved into their unseen world, witnessing their extraordinary metamorphosis from humble caterpillars into magnificent butterflies or moths. We've observed their insatiable appetites, consuming up to 27,000 times their body weight in their short lifespan, a feat that's nothing short of miraculous. We've also explored their fascinating defense mechanisms, from mimicking other creatures to releasing foul-smelling chemicals, all to keep predators at bay. And let's not forget their ability to produce silk, a material that's not only crucial for their survival, but has also been instrumental in human societies for centuries. Yes, caterpillars are much more than just tiny creatures. They're little marvels of nature, each with its own unique and amazing story to tell. Next time you see a caterpillar, remember they're not just tiny creatures. They're little marvels of nature with their own amazing stories to tell.